Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and you're getting a small O, big L error and you're wondering what is this error and how do you get rid of it. You're in luck here because this is actually a pretty common and a pretty easy to deal with error most of the time, because the OL, and if you're getting this, you're probably trying to do a huge load of laundry, because the OL is an overloaded laundry error. So basically, to protect itself, because if you put there's too much weight, too much stuff in there, it can actually damage the washing machine. So to protect itself, if there's too much stuff in there, it's going to give you this OL error instead of just trying to force itself to turn and damaging itself. So all you need to do to fix this is open it up and then take out some items. Depending on how overloaded it is, you might need to take out a lot. So you just got to open it up, take out a few items, close it, and then you should be able to restart the cycle and you should be good. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.